Welcome everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove these lug nut caps as well as the locking lug nut. There's this little tool that's located in your car and I'm going to show you exactly where to find it. Okay, so come around to the back. I'm sure you'll have a lot of crap in here like everybody else. And lift this up and the first thing you're going to see is your tire puller and your key lock right there. Do not lose that. I would even recommend replacing it with regular lug nuts so you don't ever have to deal with this thing, because if you lose that, your tire is stuck on. Grab that. Okay, so first things first, let's go ahead and remove the other caps. As you can see, that one goes on the special locking lug nut, and then all the others have hexagon squares, just like the lug nuts, and you just have to pull them out, just like that. And then to remove the locking lug nut, you're going to need a 17mm socket. And then as you can see, I would set it on the lug nut first. Make sure it's in the exact spot, because if you go too hard, you can ruin it. I don't really suggest using an impact, but I've done this 1,000 times, so I know how to do it safely at least. And then get your probably breaker bar and then loosen it and you'll be all set. And that's how you find and remove your lug nut caps and locking lug nut. I appreciate you watching. Have a good one. Peace out.